Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Battlegrounds game. First, download and install Roblox Studio from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and select a new base plate or a suitable template to begin your project. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the Explorer, Properties window, and the various building tools. Understanding these fundamental elements is crucial for efficient game development on the platform. Next, focus on the core mechanics of your Battlegrounds game. Implement player spawning points and a system for team selection, allowing for up to 16 players per round. Design an engaging map layout, incorporating strategic cover points and clear objectives. Develop robust weapon systems, including various firearm types and melee options, along with the necessary combat logic to ensure fair and exciting gameplay for everyone involved. Now, let's enhance your game with advanced features. Integrate a clear user interface to display vital information like player health, ammunition count, and team scores. Consider adding unique power-ups, special abilities, or even multiple distinct game modes to keep players engaged. Customize the visual assets, sound effects, and environmental elements to create an immersive and memorable experience, making your game stand out among hundreds of others. Finally, thoroughly test your game to identify and fix any bugs or balance issues before publishing. Gather feedback from a small group of testers to refine the experience. Once satisfied, publish your game to the Roblox platform, making it accessible to millions of players. Promote your creation through social media and consider monetization strategies, such as game passes or developer products, to grow your community and earn Robux.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.